are you trying to type in a PDF file? Because you can't do it. So are you a writer or a typer, you know, when it comes to using the Remarkable? Because that is where it's going to be hard for you if you are mainly a typer. So if this is you here, then you will want to use the native notebooks. And of course, there is one exception to that rule, because now, let me just move all this down. Now you can, the one exception is that in a PDF file, you can now add, you couldn't do this before, a native page, PNG page. I'm going to put that there because I like to educate along the way so you understand. In the end, it just it decreases the number of questions because you understand the concept of how Remarkable have designed their tablet. So the one exception to the PDF rule is you can add a native PNG page now, which you couldn't do before. So if I'm in my journal, I will just show you. You can't type in it. I will show you. So let's go out. I think it's in My Files, is it? No, it's in Etsy, I think. Oh, here it is, Journal. All right, so this is a 400 page, this was another video. Let's go back to home. Let me go to the calendar and we'll pick the 5th of June. All right, just say I want to type my journal in the morning. When you'll see there is no type, no T for type. You cannot type in here. But what you can do, just one second, you can add did you see me add a new page? And it's, wait a minute, where'd it go? Just what we're waiting for right now is all the thumbnails to update, because I'm on page 183. Let me just click on page 182. That's the 5th of June. That's the 6th of June. And there's my blank page. All right, I just added it. And can you see the T comes up? So now if I press on the T, I can type. And then you've got the different styles over here on the left. All right, so I'm going to close that. So you can type in a PDF on a blank page, but you can also, it's in another video, you can import a different PNG template now, native template, into here and type on that as well. But you cannot type, see the T disappears? You cannot type on, see this is a PDF setting, see it says PDF settings? That means it's a PDF document. You can see that. You cannot type on a PDF page, but you can type on a PNG page. I hope that helps.